Good morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I will be discussing about Chalukya dynasty. Please go through my playlist, you will find various topics for the various examinations. So let us see what has been given in the slide. Chalukya dynasty was ruled between 750 AD to 1200 AD. As you can see how exactly they were ruled between South India. I request you guys to go through playlist. You will find near about 800 plus question papers for various examinations of defense and central government jobs. So Chalukya has been divided into three groups. Among them, Chalukyas of Badami, Vengi and Kalyani. So as you can see, the founder of Badami was Pulakesin I was the founder, and the last ruler Kirtivarman II. And after this Badami, the Vengi has taken place, whose symbol was Varaha, that is pig. Pulakesin II gave the region to Vishnuvardhan. Next we have the Chalukyas of Kalyani, who has taken over after the Rashtrakutas. So in between Badami and Kalyani there was a rule that is Rashtrakutas. You have to remember. So Rashtrakutas were defeated by Thalappa II, who made capital as Kalyani. Prior it was Badami as the capital. That is the reason they have been called as Chalukyas of Kalyani. So next we have, if we describe about Chalukyas of Badami, they are known as Western Chalukyas. As I had already told, the founder of Chalukyas of Badami was Pulakesin I, so who ruled between 540 to 566. The last ruler, the Kirtivarman II, was the last ruler who was ruled between 746 to 743 AD. The dynasty of Chalukyas were destroyed by Rashtrakuta. As I had told, they were overpowered by the Rashtrakuta, the first founder of the Rashtrakuta, that is Dantidurga. Again, the Chalukyas of Kalyani have overpowered the Rashtrakutas. The capital prior, the Badami was the capital for that is also known as Vatapi. So that is in Karnataka. As you can see how exactly the Badami caves constructions looks like to the right of this slide. And as you can see, Manglesha, who was a great ruler between 598 AD to 609 AD, has taken over the rule, and he was defeated by the Pulakesin II. So now we can realize the Pulakesin II was the most powerful leader during the time of Chalukyas of Badami. So as you can see, the Pulakesin II is also known as Dakshinapateshwara, Vallabh and Parameshwara. These are the other names for the Pulakesin II. So we have to remember, Pulakesin II was the strongest leader among all the leaders, all the kings, and he defeated the Harshavardhana. We knew that Huyansang, who was the contemporary foreign traveler during the time of Harshavardhana. So Harshavardhana was defeated by Pulakesin II on the river banks of Narmada. There was a court poet during the time of Pulakesin II, that is, his name is Ravikriti. And as you can see to the right side of this, Badami's Bhutnath temple, how it looks like. So these are the few monuments you have to remember. They are there in Badami. Even today also these monuments are exist, and Badami was the capital. And as you can see, Pulakesin II had constructed Meghuti Jain temple, and Pulakesin II finally was defeated by Narsimhavarman II. And they followed which type of religion? Hindu religion of Brahmanism. You have to remember, which is one of the important questions. Next we have Kirtivarman II, who ruled between 743 to 757 AD. The last ruler of Chalukya dynasty, and was defeated by Rashtrakuta king, that is Dantidurga. As I had told, initially Badami was defeated by Rashtrakuta king, that is Dantidurga. So as you can see, Kirtivarman II was defeated by Rashtrakuta king Dantidurga, and they ruled for some time. Vikramaditya II, who is again re-established the glory of Chalukyas. So Vikramaditya II defeated the Rashtrakutas and re-established the Chalukyas. So he defeated in 973 AD and he ruled, as you can see, next Chalukyas of Kalyani ruled up to 1200 AD and they formed Kalyani as their capital, which resulted in forming this Chalukyas of Kalyani. Please, whatever I am telling, I request you guys to go through each and every step. This is one of the easiest way of learning. And during this time of Chalukyas of Kalyani, they were always hostile with the Cholas. So they had a conflict with the Cholas, and the city of temple, as you can see, during their time, Aihole was one of the city of temples. So this is the place, as you can see to the right of this slide, how the Aihole temples looks like. So maximum constructions of temples were exist in Aihole. Now we have this as it is. Chalukyas of Kalyani, after defeating the Rashtrakutas, the Chalukyas of Kalyani, the king Chalukya, that is Someshwar I, defeated and killed Chola ruler Rajadi Raja in the battle of Koppam. We have to remember this is one of the important battle of Koppam, which was fought between Someshwara I and Chola ruler Rajadi Raja. So among these two, it was fought and Someshwara, the Chalukya king, won. So 6th king Vikramaditya occupied Kanchi and saved the writer Bilhana. We should remember Bilhana was present during the time of 6th Vikramaditya and he had been saved by Vikramaditya 6th, and he had written the book regarding Vikramanka Deva Charita was the book which was written regarding 7th Vikramaditya. So 6th and 7th, he was the contemporary writer for the 6th and 7th Vikramaditya. So Bilhana had written the book, that is Vikramanka Deva Charita. This is related to the king 7th Vikramaditya. You have to remember it is not 6th, it is 7th. He has been contemporary to the 6th and 7th. The founder of the Chalukyas of Kalyani was Talapi II. So as you can see, Vigneshwara, during the time of Chalukyas of Kalyani, Vigneshwara the writer was present. He had written Mitakshara book. The last ruler of Chalukyas of Kalyani, that is Talapi III, and destroyed Hoysala. This is one thing you have to remember. And next we have the Chalukyas of Vengi. I had told. So the Chalukyas of Vengi, the founder of Chalukyas of Vengi was Vishnuvardhan and the capital was Vengi. It was located in Andhra Pradesh. Vijayaditya III was the important king and his Senapati was Pandurang during the time of Chalukyas of Vengi. As you can see to the right how exactly the divisions of Chalukya has been taken. Chalukyas of Vengi, Badami and as you can see Kalyani. So these are the three things you have to remember. I hope this will help you a lot. And their culture was, they supported the other religions along with their religion. So that they supported Buddhism as well as Jainism during their time. And the official book was Mitakshara, it was composed by the Vigneshwara jurist. So the Mitakshara tells about the rules and laws. So this is one of the official book of the Kalyanis. So as you can see how exactly the Vigneshwara looks like and where his carvings are depicted. I hope this will help you a lot. If you have any doubts, you can call me on 7667300252. If you want a PDF of 2100, you can message me by WhatsApp for sending. I'll send you by WhatsApp. There are GK and GS for all competitive examinations, which also elaborated in videos. So I'll send you both the links. Otherwise, you can directly go through my playlist. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.